Good morning, students.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Say respond.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. See some more questions from your material, from your JE material. Practice session 1, practice exercise 1. Open page number 336, problem number 17. Page number 336, problem number 17. Draw the diagram first. So these type of questions are most important for JE. Draw the given diagram. This mass is 1 kg. Okay. Yeah, see page number 330, page number 336, question number 17. Let us complete few more questions. Still someone is at the room. Okay. Yeah, all of you open the material. Respond anyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Respond anyone. No, no one is responding. Yeah. Shall I continue? Problem number 17.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now read problem number 17, everyone. Read the problem number 17. Take your books. Read once at least. Try to understand what they given.
Excuse me, sir. Your video is stuck.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it's clear again.
No,
In
sir.
the
It's
pulley block
completely
system
clear.
shown in figure.
Sir, your audio is
Wait,
breaking.
wait. Just a minute. Now is it okay? Now it is clear. Shall I
Still okay,
continue?
sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
you see. Now let me read. In the pulley block system shown in figure, strings are light, pulleys are massless, system is released from rest. In 0.3 seconds, they given four options. Work done on 2 kg block by gravity, 6 joule or not. Work done on 2 kg block by string, -2 they given. Work done on 1 kg block by gravity, -1.5. Work done on 1 kg by string, 2 joules. Let us check all these are possible or not. Okay. Yeah. See, if you know constraint relation concept, we can solve this problem easily. Means first you find out acceleration of this 2 kg, acceleration of this 1 kg. That accelerations are possible if you know the concept of constraint relation in laws of motion chapter. But don't worry, here I'll give you in a simple way. Here, just you see, observe carefully now. It will take some time, this problem. Tension in the string is T. This is T. Okay. If this is T, if only one pulley is there, tension will be same. But there are two pulleys. Okay, there are two pulleys. So this tension will be divided into some two parts. This will be divided into two parts. Here the tension in the string is T by 2. Here the tension in the string is T by 2. T by 2, T by 2, nothing but T. Okay. Here in this string the tension also T by 2. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
If this is T, T by 2, T by 2, T by 2. Otherwise, if you take this is T, this is 2T. These two must be balanced by this. Like that, you divide the tension. If it moves down by something acceleration A1, no doubt this will move up with an acceleration A2. No doubt these accelerations are different. If you are perfecting constraint equations, if this move with an acceleration A, this may move with maybe 2A or A by 2. By using the masses, we can expect 2 and 1. If it is A, this is A by 2. 2 kg, 1 kg half. If it is A, this is A by 2. Let us check it. By using constraint, let us get the relation between accelerations. Now I am giving one shortcut word for constraint relations. How to get the relation between accelerations. Observe this 2 kg. Acceleration is down. Tension is
Upward.
tension is upward. So use one concept. Summation of tension and acceleration is 0. This is the simple logic to get constraint relation. We can solve constraint relation in a lengthy manner, but by using one step, we will get the relation between accelerations. Constraint relation means relation between accelerations of blocks, or relations between velocities of the blocks, or displacements of the block. That is possible by using network length 0. Force into distance 0. Distance, if you apply differentiation, you will get velocity. If you apply one more derivative, you will get acceleration. T is a force, tension. So use this shortcut formula, you will get constraint relation. Dot product of tension and acceleration becomes 0. Coming to the 2 kg. Tension in 2 kg will act upward. Acceleration
Downward.
down.
Downward.
What is the angle between them? 180. The angle between and this is 180. So 180 means, see this is 180. Nothing but T by 2 into A1 cos 180. Got this point? If any confusion is there, cos 180 plus, coming to this, tension in 1 kg will be, tension in 1 kg will be up, acceleration,
Up.
then constraint here also again. I don't know whether you covered constraint or not, now I am teaching again here. Tell me. Still someone is attending. Okay, hang on. Tell me tension in 1 kg up, acceleration. Acceleration.
Upwards only, sir. Upwards.
What is the angle between them?
0 degree.
0.
Zero.
Cos 0 is equal to 0. This is 180. Cos 0 is 1. Then minus T by 2 A1 plus T into A2 is equal to 0. T by 2 A1 is equals to T into A2. A1 is equals to 2 times of A. A1 is equals to, so this is what? This is a small part of the problem, that's it. Just I am getting constraint relation by using simple concept T dot A is equal to 0. Okay, you apply this T dot A concept for your previous chapter problems. You will get all constraint equations in a matter of one step. Now finally I got the link up. What is A1? I am getting A1 is equals to 2 times of
A2.
you write up to here. You write up to A1 is equal to 2 times of A2. Next I will continue problem. Because I'm going to rub this one. You write up to here. A1 is equal to 2 times of A2. Yeah. Because we need to check all other options. So followed up to A1 is equal to 2 times of A2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Use T dot A concept. It is easy. Okay, let me rub this one. Because I want to extend the problem. So I am getting constraint relation. A1 is equals to 2A. This is my constraint relation for this problem. If A1 is equals to something A, if A1 is A, if A1 is moved down by A, what about A2?
2A.
And constraint relations A1 is equals to 2 times of A2. If this is A, what is A2? A2 is how much A2?
Sir, what you have
A by
written
2.
is not visible, sir.
It's not visible.
No, sir.
Okay. What about this one? A1 is equal to A2 is visible.
Sir.
If A1 is A, what about A2? A2 is A by 2. A2 is
A by 2.
A by 2, huh? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So A1 is A, A2 is A by 2, then you draw the free body diagram for 2 kg. For 2 kg block. 2 kg means it is 20 mg downwards. How much the tension? T by 2. Moving down with how much acceleration? I think you are comfortable with free body diagram.
Sir, A1 acceleration.
A1 nothing but A I am taking. A1 is A.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
A1 is A, A2 is A by 2 I am taking half. That is the use of constraint. A. So tell me the free equation for this. Tell me the equation for this. This is 2 kg mass. Moving down. So tell me net force acting on the block is 20 minus T by 2. What is Fr? 2 A1. 2 A1 means what?
A.
2 A.
A.
20 minus T by 2. So this becomes 4A 40 minus T. Equation number 1 this is. Just I drawn free body diagram for what? 2 kg.
Sir, can you lift the camera upward, sir? It's not visible. Sir, camera, lift the camera upward, sir.
Camera not visible.
No, sir, the above, the free body diagram and beside that, it's not visible.
It's not visible. Free body diagram.
No, sir.
See once again. See for 2
Right,
kg.
downward, sir.
Yeah, do it direct.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
See once. Okay, shall I write here?
No, sir, right.
Here, check it. This is 2 kg. Weight is 20. Moving down with acceleration A. Tension is check it once.
Yes, sir, no.
Is it okay somewhat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Draw the free body diagram for 1 kg. Let me draw 1 kg here. More. 1 kg. 1 kg moving up or down?
Upward.
1 kg moving up. Weight of this body is 10. Tension in the 1 kg?
T.
T. It is moving up with how much acceleration?
A by
A
2.
by 2.
Very good. A by 2. Net force. Fr is equals to T minus 10. Fr 1 into A by 2. MA. A nothing but A by 2. M nothing but 1 kg. T minus 10. So A is equals to 2T minus. Say I'm getting what? Relation between A and T, equation 1 and equation 2. Can you solve equation 1 and 2?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
solve equation 1 and 2? Solve equation 1 and 2, get T and A. Get the tension and A. Right up to here again. Keep equation 1, 2 in mind. Solve the two equations. Solve equations. You will get A as 20 by 3. Solve the equations 1 and 2.
Sir, T is 40 by 3.
T is 40 by 3. A as 20 by 3. Check it. Verify A value. Shall I rub this part?
Yes, sir.
Say something. Shall I rub?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. A is 20 by 3.
A is how much?
20 by 3, sir.
Confirm.
Yes, sir. Confirm.
A is 20 by 3. Shall I solve equation 1 and 2 or shall I write the value? Solve equation 1 and 2. If you solve equation 1 and 2, A is how much you are getting?
20 by 3.
How much T exactly you are getting?
40 by
40 by 3. Solve equations 1 and 2, you will get A as 20 by 3, T as 40 by 3. Verify once. Just you multiply 4A for this, 4. A cancel. This is 40 and 20. I think you know how to solve these two equations.
Yes, sir.
Are you expecting this solution? Equation 1 and 2. Is it okay? Will you solve?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, it is blur, sir. I am writing 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Don't worry, I will solve these three equations. Just a minute, I will solve the two equations. What is the equation 1? Tell me. Equation 1, 40 minus
T.
T is equals to
4A.
4.
4A. What is equation 2? Equation 2.
Minus 20.
Equation 2.
2T minus 20.
2T minus
20.
confirm 20 is equals to
A.
A.
now let me solve this one. Multiply this with 4. Multiply this with 4. So if I multiply equation 2 with 4, I am solving with 1. So second with 4 means 4T. Okay. 4T, let me write like this. First I multiply minus 80 plus 4T is equal to 4A. Are you following this? Minus, just I multiply 4 for this. 80, 4 to the, sorry, this is 8, this is 4A. Solve the first one. 40 T 4A minus plus minus. How much you are getting? Some different answer?
No, sir.
No? How much is this?
We'll get 120 is equal to
120 minus 120 plus 90 is 0. 120 equals to 90. And T is equals to equal 40 by 3. Substitute key value in any one, maybe here or maybe here. You will get A. Leave the space for calculation. You check A value. Shall I verify A also?
No, sir, we will do.
No, sir.
Then I will continue tomorrow. So I am taking A value 20 by 3, T value 40 by 3. Speed up. At least we will try 2 to 3 questions. Calculations will play the main role. You increase your calculation speed. I am ready to write all the steps in a max of 2 to 3 minutes. But I am expecting from your side. Because I expect you to solve everyone, not only a single person. That's why I am writing all the steps. So I am writing this one. So I am using AAP. Then let me continue the problem. Option number 1, verification. Generally, we do option verification in chemistry and some other subjects. In physics also, if they given all are correct, AB correct, BC correct, you can go for option verification. What is the first option? Check the first option.
Work done by gravity is 6 joules. On
Work
2
done by gravity. Work done by gravity is they given 6 joules. So
On 2 kg.
this is acceleration A. How many seconds after 0.3 seconds are? After how much time? 0.3 seconds. Let me find how much the distance covered by the body. Distance covered by 2 kg. Distance covered by 2 kg is equal to half A T square. What is A? 20 by 3. T square. 0.3 square. 10 by 3. 0.3. Is that right? 9 by 100. 0.3 square.
Yes, sir.
3 by 10. 9 by 100. Okay? 9 by 30. 3s are 10s are. How much the distance? 0.3. 0.3. 3 by 10. 0.3, okay. Now the work done by the gravity is mgs. Okay. So work done by the gravity force into acceleration. So you can write m into a into s. M, how much m? 2. What is acceleration? 20 by 3. Acceleration. S value 3 by 10.
Sir, we won't get, sir.
Sir, we should take G no, sir.
To take MGS only, sir.
Sir, G no, sir. G, sir.
mg h nothing but sorry, work done by the gravity means mg. Sorry. How much m? 2. G value 10. S value how much you are getting?
6 joules.
No. Yeah, first option is correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Work done by the gravity is not mgh. Sorry. Okay, work done by the gravity is mgh. So I am getting 6 joules. First one is correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
First one correct. Then go for the second one. What is the second one? Work done by the
Work done on 2 kg block by string.
by string. By string the tension is how much? Negative. This is negative because these two are opposite. It's negative. So I will written this first one.
Yes, sir.
First one. Now let us try the second question. Second option verification. Work done by the tension. Work done by the tension in the string is anyhow it is negative. So tension is T by 2. F. Okay, F into S. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Tension is how much? T by 2. How much is the T value? How much T?
40 by
40
2.
by 2 into S value. Just now I got S value. Can anyone? S value.
3 by
S value how much?
3 by 10.
Confirm? Okay. So 0, 0. This is 2 the 3, 3. Check it. I'm getting minus 2 joules. How much?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Minus 2.
Minus 2 they given. Let us verify the third one. Tell me what done by the gravity? Body moving up, what done by the gravity is negative or positive? Directly we can expect that. What done by this against the gravity? Body moving up means it is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Third option, negative or positive? Third option. M is 1, G is 10. How much I am getting? 3 I am getting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here S is different. Here S is different.
Yes.
Don't take this. Don't take this yes. I'll tell you. Minus M. See, this S is not a 3 by 10. That S is for right side. Tell me, what about this S? It is A by 2. It's moving with A by 2 acceleration. They will not move same distances. If only 2 blocks are there, okay. If only one pulley is there, if it moves down by something 2 meter down, it will move up by 2 meter up. But it's not possible. S is equals to half A2 T square. What is A2? This is 1.
A by 2.
A2 is A by 2. This is a 0.35. Check this one first. 1 into 10 into 1 by 2, A by 2. A by 2 how much? 10 by 3. A is 20 by 3. Let me write more. 20 by 3 by 2. This is 3 by 100. Verify the calculations. Verify the calculations. 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2, 2 cancel. 6 by 3, 3 cancel. 1 by 2.
Sir, it's 9 by 100, no?
Yeah. This is 9 by 100, no? 9 by 100, correct. 3 3s are 2, yeah. Check it. 1.5 I am getting. Minus 1.5 I am getting. Calculation will play the main role. Is it visible downside?
Yes, sir.
A2 is A by 2. Don't take the A. A by 2. How the body is moving? 1 kg moving up by A by 2. Minus 1.5. Will you verify fourth option? Fourth option. Work done by the tension in the sticky. Tension is T into S. T is 40 by 3. S is half. A2 T square again. 40. This is A by 2. 0.3 square. 40 by 3. 1 by 2. A is 20 by 3. Just substitute the values. 0, 0, 0. To verify this value, verify the calculations. Verify the calculations, you will get them. 2 joules. Possible. 339. 2, 2. Just check the calculations. See, I am writing all numbers.
2 joules, sir.
You verify the calculation. You spend some time, you'll get this problem. I think you understand the depth of this problem. It's not easy. Easy if you know constraint relations and if you are very comfortable with the free body diagram concept, then this problem will take matter of 1 minute maximum. That is possible by practicing the problem number of times. So practice these type of questions number of times. Then we will solve some other questions also. So verify all. Then what about the option for this question?
All are
Easy.
correct.
All are correct, sir.
All are correct. All are correct. I am trying to continue. At least let us enter into the next problem. One problem is not good. At least 2 problems in a class. Next also good questions are there. Speed up. Question number 18. So increase your calculation speed so that I can solve maximum number of problems in a class. 18. Body of mass 0.5 kg travels in a straight line with velocity given and work done by the force moving from 0 to 2 meter. X is equal to 0 means there is no velocity starting. X is equal to 2 means something velocity will be there. So work done nothing but changing kinetic energy, regulate only final kinetic energy. Initially 0. X is equal to 0 means 0. Half m, what is V? According to the problem, V is given. A x power 3 by 2. A x power 3 by 2. Whole square. Half into. X is equal to 0 means nothing. Only 2. X is equal to 0 is nothing. There is no work done starting at 2 meter. How much mass? 0.5. A value 5. X value 2. 0 is not possible. So 2 to the power of, simplify the value 1 by 2. 0.5, let me write 0.5 is 1 by 2. 0.5 means half. 5 square. 2 to the power of 3 by 2 whole square. Okay? 1 by 4. This is 25.
Sir, the
How much is-
board is blur, sir.
What is blurred?
Yes, sir, not visible at all.
Is up to equation is clear?
Yes,
Mass is how much? 0.5. A value? A value? Is it not visible?
5 meter per second square.
5 and x value 2, 3 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2, 0.5, let's take 1 by 2, 5 square, 2 to the power of 3 by 2 whole square. Simplify the number, 1 by 4, 5 square becomes 25. This 2 cancel 2 to the power of 3, 8. Answer will be like 50 joules. So simple calculation is left. Substitute x value 2. X value 0 means you will not be getting work done. Actually half mv square minus half mu square. There is no initial kinetic energy here. Got my point? By substituting x is 2, you will get some final kinetic energy. That is the work done by that body.
Sir, here for
Please-
acceleration. Sir, here for acceleration, they've given 5
That's
meter.
not who told that is an acceleration? Huh? Is the unity is equal to acceleration? Why you are fixing that small a as always acceleration? Whenever the right side meter per second square is there, then you can fix as acceleration. Are
Okay,
you
sir.
following?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that a is an acceleration? How?
No, sir. Here,
If
some.
unit, yeah, if there is a proper unit, whatever will be the quantity left side, that is equivalent to acceleration.
Yes.
Okay, don't think A is given, sir, that is an acceleration. How it is possible? Okay, do at least one more question today. Very simple. This is from NCIT. Same model question from NCIT. A body constrained to move in y direction is subjected to a force given by F something value. The work done by the force moving through distance of 10 j meter along y axis.
150 joules, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, 150 joules.
150. They mentioned 10 j already. You
Yes, sir.
just do the dot product
15J into 10J.
F dot S. How much the answer?
150 joules.
Multiply I with I, J with J, K with K. I, there is no I value. J is
J is
15 J.
there.
15 J kya? Dot 10 J. 15 into 10. Answer
150 joules.
150 joule. Yeah. See, today only 2 problems covered. Third one is nothing. F dot J means nothing. So what is F dot J? Minus 2i 15J 6K dot 10J. If you multiply, you will get 150 joule. See how many questions are covered? 1 or 2 or 3, tell me.
2 questions.
Actually, 1 only covered. Second one, nothing. Third one, nothing. So, my request is try to increase your calculation speed. Are you following? Increase your calculation speed so that I can solve more number of problems. See the length of the previous problem. That is possible if you know constraint relations. That's why I started with the constraint relation concept. Okay, increase your calculation speed. In the next class, I'll continue concepts like a conservative force, non-conservative force, conservation of energy, and some other things. And if possible, you do one thing in your material, page number 341. Some example problems are there. Examples. The examples are most important. Solved examples. Some solved problems are given in your material. Try to complete solved problems first. Already solutions are given. Of course, for exercise problems also solutions they given. Okay, don't see the solutions. You try to think it once. Okay, so first you see some solved problems. In solved problems, most of the questions are previous JEE questions. Just you check the previous JEE papers. You will understand what is the depth of that question. Okay, so see some solved problems, and after that, if you have a time, at least you spend half an hour for a physics and try to solve practice exercise 2. Practice exercise 1 is over already. Practice exercise 2. Book is given to you, it's not for me. You how to solve problem. Got my point? So practice exercise 2. In a practice exercise 2, question number 1, maybe you need my help. Question number 1, you may need my help. For 2, 3, you never need nothing. You means it is very easy. It's a matter of one step. Please try question number 2, 3. Are you following the numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say yes.
Sir,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are nothing. These are a one-step problems. If it is a too lengthy, I am going to solve. That's my duty. So practice exercise 2. Your target is to complete question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't see the backside solutions. You try to think it once. If it is not possible, leave it. I am there for you. Okay? So complete at least 5 problems. And this weekend syllabus I will confirm you by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Means up to Friday portion will come on Saturday. I am coming Monday. Okay? Thank you. Let me stop now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
bye.
sir.
ఇక్కడ అయిన తర్వాత